Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about how to get your voice louder under the Adobe Premiere Pro. When you record your audios or when you do some recordings, your audio become decreased. As you can see here, the audio bar, the voice that I have is lower. Let me open it. Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great video, and today's video is about. So as you are seeing here, the voice that I recorded on this audio is lower. So in this video we are going to see on how we can increase. So in order to increase or in order to get a louder voice, select the volume in the time frame and click the G key on the keyboard. G, which is audio gain. When I click the G key on the keyboard, it gave me audio gain. So you can adjust the gain by, or you can give the number, which is the number that you want the voice could be. So you can give 1, 2, 3, or any number that you want. But I prefer to give you to select this normalize. So select normalize max peak. So even also you can make it -1, -2, or you can give a number 1, 2, 3. But just select normalize max peak 2 and select here OK. As you can see here, the volume bar gets higher. And now let us listen the volume. Hello YouTube, just expand. So the volume gets increased and the volume become increased and it become in a hearable format. So you can select the GI key and you can make the volume size, you can increase it or decrease it based on your wish. So this is all about for today's video. If today's video is helpful, please subscribe, like, and give me comments on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.